I ran some Proline. There you go, Proline. Ran it through there. Pushed it in through there. And it goes all the way to the front. Comes through there. And I got it all the way down here. Now I'm going to put in some foam, 1/2 inch foam, and run it back through there, and hopefully, and I think it's going to work, it's going to make this right here stick out like it should, and that foam's going to hold it out, you know, so it doesn't leak anymore. Got this at Home Depot. It's a Frost King polyfoam caulk saver, and it's a 1/2 inch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up right there, run it to the back, and cut it. Now when you cut this thing, it's kind of sharp on the edges, so put a piece of electrical tape on it, makes it smooth. So here's the Proline. Comes up through there. I put a lot of silicone on it so it goes in easy. And there's a big, huge hole there. So run it all the way to the front. It goes all the way down there. And it comes out over there. Now what I'm going to do, here's the foam. And I'm going to cut a slit in it so it goes in even right there. Just take a little pocket knife and just cut in there deep, run it in there, and then tape it. So I ran my little pocket knife as far as I could, and I'm going to stick it in there like that, then tape it. Okay, tape it in there, give it a nice generous piece up there so it doesn't come out. And there you go. Goes from slim to 1/2 inch. Now lubricated nicely with some silicone. I ran out of my heavy duty lubricone, or silicone lubricone, but I had this, which is the same thing. And you have to use silicone because you don't want to mess up this and dry it out. So here you go, nice lubrication, then run it through. And there it is. Look at that. Perfect, nice and firm. It's brought it straight out. It is absolutely perfect. That is, I mean, I can feel it right there, and it's nice and soft. That's perfect. Here was you know, it used to be all the way down here, and now it's back to even, pretty much. Well, perfect, almost perfect.